Something romantic. I like flowers, like petals and champagne, music, and of course, the person must be a gentleman. Ashley, very funny. Ubuli, she's just a bubbly person. Unati, unpredictable. Uliz, she's caring. Vivian, she's my best friend. Unoma, she's sweet. I can say she's a very sweet person. I've actually learned not to judge a person. It's always better to get to know the person and not just make conclusions. That was a lesson learned from the show. Life is not easy as it seems, because when you're 12 years, you think everything is easy to get. Nothing is easy in life. Life is too short. You must actually enjoy it while it lasts. My name is Siphokazi, known as Pamela Mtolo. And please stay tuned and watch Real Housewives of Gqeberha on One Magic, Fridays, 8:30.